Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Coinbase account number. So in order to do this, you first need to come to coinbase.com and then you just have to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Coinbase account. Now once this step is done, you just have to simply hover over to the top right hand corner where you will be able to see your profile icon. So you need to click on it. After clicking on it, you just have to click on the settings tab. Then in the settings, you just have to hover over to your profile, and in the profile you will be able to see your contact details where you can find your Coinbase email address. So if you don't know, then let me tell you that in order to create your account on Coinbase, you don't need to actually have any account number or anything because it is not a bank. So over here, in order to log in into your account, you only need your email address. Even if you want to send or receive cryptos with Coinbase, you only need the email address. So here you can find your email address and you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.